Morning, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question, question number 78. The instruction to this question says choose the word that is the most suitable to fill the numbered gaps in the passage. And remember that we are using this question or this passage from 71 to 8 to answer the questions between this range, and it is from a topic in English called register, and we're looking at transportation, and then here we are looking at road transportation. And the sentence here say, consequently they have no knowledge of dash rules. Consequently, they have no knowledge of dash rules. A. Highway. B. Traffic. Option A says expressway. Option B say traffic. Option C say highway. Then option D say road. So when we talk of express, then highway is still the same thing. Then traffic has to do with the light control, and this also takes place on the road. So highway, traffic, expressway, they all center on road usage. So they all centered on road usage, that is how to use the road. So road is the correct option. So consequently they have no knowledge of road rules, that is the rules that guide road driving or land driving. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.